Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
If the state capital represents the clean, logical ideals of the Enlightenment, Old City Hall represents the raw industrial ambition of a city reborn. Completed in 1894, this High Victorian Gothic masterpiece stands as a defiant contrast to its neighbours. It doesn't just occupy space, it commands it. Built from massive blocks of rough-hewn Virginia granite, it looks less like a municipal building and more like a fortress designed to guard the secrets of the river city. At the time of its construction, Richmond was shaking off the ash of the Civil War and asserting itself as a modern centre of commerce and power. The city didn't just want a quiet building, it wanted a statement. The architects delivered a labyrinth of pointed arches, soaring spires, and intricate carvings that feel almost medieval in their complexity. It was a project of immense scale and cost, nearly bankrupting the city during its decade-long construction. But the result was an architectural achievement that put Richmond on the global map. The exterior is a masterclass in texture and shadow. Every turret and gable seemed designed to catch the light differently throughout the day, creating a sense of movement in the heavy stone. It's a building that invites you to look closer, to find the small ornate details hidden in the granite, gargoyles and floral motifs that speak to the craftsmanship of the bygone era. This wasn't just a place of paperwork and bureaucracy, it was a cathedral for the civic soul. Inside, the building opens up into a breathtaking 4-story atrium, a forest of cast iron columns painted in vibrant colours and crowned with a massive skylight. In the 1890s, this was the pinnacle of modern luxury and engineering. The air would have been filled with the echoes of local politicians and the rustle of long coats as the city's business was hammered out on the checkered marble floors. It served as a nerve centre of Richmond for nearly 80 years, witnessing the transition from the horse-drawn carriages to the roar of the early motorway. It served as the nerve centre of Richmond for nearly 80 years, witnessing the transition from the horse-drawn carriages to the roar of the early automobile. By the 1970s, the building faced a threat more dangerous than fire: progress. There were calls to tear it down to make way for something more modern, but the people of Richmond realised that you cannot replace a soul once it's been carved into stone. A massive restoration effort saved the structure, ensuring that the grand hallways and the soaring ceilings would remain a part of the city's skyline. Today, Old City Hall stands as a bridge between the Victorian era's obsession with grandeur and the modern city's respect for its heritage. It is a reminder that Richmond is a place of layers, where the white marble of the past meets the grey granite of the future. It remains one of the most photographed and beloved landmarks in the Commonwealth, a permanent monument to a city that refuses to be anything less than extraordinary.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.